Your phone can be monitored without any software installed. Attackers target smartphones using methods that don't require physical access. Common tactics include intercepting your data over public Wi-Fi, phishing, and SIM hijacking. These methods can expose your private information. Protect yourself by using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and avoiding suspicious links or public Wi-Fi for sensitive tasks. Stay alert for red flags like unexpected messages or login attempts. Quick action can prevent major security breaches. Your phone holds your digital life. Take these steps to keep it secure. Social engineering is the art of deception, tricking you into handing over your secrets without a single hack. Phishing attacks use fake emails or texts that look real, urging you to click a link or share your credentials. These links often lead to convincing fake websites designed to steal your login details. Attackers prey on urgency and curiosity, making you act before you think. Once you enter your info, they can access your accounts, change passwords, and lock you out. No malware needed, the user is the weakest link. Protect yourself by treating every unexpected message with skepticism. Never click suspicious links. Instead, type web addresses manually. Verify requests from friends or companies through a separate channel. Remember, legitimate organizations will never ask for your password via email or text. Public Wi-Fi is a goldmine for attackers, offering easy access to your private information. Unsecured networks let hackers intercept everything you send: passwords, emails, photos, and even banking info. Attackers can set up fake hotspots with names like free airport Wi-Fi, tricking your device into connecting automatically. Once connected, they can steal your usernames, passwords, and hijack your accounts in real time. Always use a reputable VPN on public Wi-Fi and avoid logging into sensitive accounts. Turn off automatic Wi-Fi connections and manually select trusted networks. Confirm the official network name with staff before connecting. Don't let free Wi-Fi cost you your privacy. Stay alert and secure. SIM swapping is when attackers trick your mobile carrier into transferring your phone number to a SIM card they control. You lose service, and they get your calls, texts, and two-factor authentication codes. With your number, they can reset passwords and access your email, bank, and social media accounts, locking you out and stealing your information or money. To protect yourself, set up a port-out PIN or password with your mobile carrier. Avoid using easy-to-guess info like your birthday or pet's name. Use authenticator apps or physical security keys instead of SMS-based two-factor authentication. These are much harder for attackers to intercept. Take these steps now to keep your phone number and your digital life secure. IMSI catchers, fake cell towers, can silently intercept your phone's connection, tracking your location and eavesdropping on your calls and texts. Your phone connects automatically to the strongest signal, making it easy for these devices to hijack your connection without warning. Sophisticated IMSI catchers can force your phone onto unencrypted networks, stripping away protections and exposing your communications. Once connected, attackers can listen to calls, read texts, and see who you contact, all without your knowledge. These devices, once exclusive to governments, are now accessible to criminals. Defending against them is tough, but using end-to-end encrypted apps like Signal or WhatsApp keeps your messages private. Encryption ensures only you and your recipient can read your conversations, even if someone intercepts your data. While you can't always spot an IMSI catcher, you can make your communications unreadable. Make encryption your default for sensitive conversations. Zero-click attacks are the ultimate stealth threat. Your phone can be compromised without you doing anything. Delivered silently via messaging apps or Wi-Fi, these exploits turn your device into a surveillance tool. Infamous spyware like Pegasus used missed calls or silent messages to take control, activating your camera, microphone, and tracking your location. These attacks are nearly impossible to detect and exploit unknown software flaws. While they're mostly used against high-profile targets, the technology is spreading. Your best defense: always update your phone and apps immediately. Security patches close known vulnerabilities. Enable automatic updates and restart your phone regularly to disrupt persistent malware. While you can't stop every zero-day, you can block most known threats. Stay updated, stay protected. Your phone isn't the only target. Your cloud backups are a treasure trove for attackers. If someone gets your Apple or Google account password, they can download your entire digital history without touching your device. Attackers use phishing, brute force attacks, or stolen credentials from data breaches to break in. Many people reuse passwords, making it easy for hackers to access multiple accounts. Once inside, attackers can monitor your photos, messages, contacts, and location history completely invisibly. Protect your cloud. Use a long, unique password for your main accounts and never reuse it. Enable multi-factor authentication with an authenticator app, not just SMS. These steps make your cloud fortress much harder to breach. Don't leave your digital life unguarded in the cloud. Security isn't just about knowledge, it's about daily habits that keep you safe. Be skeptical. Question every unexpected message, link, or request. Use unique, complex passwords for every account and rely on a reputable password manager to keep track. Enable multi-factor authentication everywhere, prioritizing authenticator apps over SMS codes. Review app permissions regularly. Only grant access to what's truly necessary. Keep your phone and apps updated automatically. Updates patch critical security holes. Use end-to-end encrypted messaging apps for private conversations. On public Wi-Fi, always use a trusted VPN to encrypt your traffic. These small habits, practiced consistently, create a powerful shield against most attacks. Make digital hygiene part of your routine. Your privacy depends on it. Digital threats are everywhere, but you don't need to be a tech expert to stay safe. Most attacks exploit predictable weaknesses, reused passwords, outdated software, insecure networks, and human error. The good news, you have the power to protect yourself with simple, consistent habits. By understanding how attacks work, you can spot scams, avoid risky networks, and secure your accounts. Awareness turns you from a target into a guardian of your own data. Your digital life deserves the same protection as your real one. The threats will keep evolving, but the basics remain. Be skeptical, stay updated, and act proactively. Don't wait for a breach to take action. Start building your digital defenses now. With knowledge and vigilance, you can navigate the digital world confidently. Protect your privacy, because no one else will do it for you.